Financial mathematics is broadly the study of probability and stochastic analysis, which can be used for derivatives pricing, risk management, asset allocation, and trade execution. In the area of financial mathematics, we have two MSc programs. One of them is called MSc in Financial Modeling and Optimization, and the other one is called MSc in Computational Mathematical Finance. The main focus of the two MSc programs is to give students really good grounding in measure theoretic probability, stochastic analysis, and then the applications in financial mathematics.
What attracted me most to the University of Edinburgh is that it's really well positioned in international rankings, and specifically the School of Mathematics at the university is very well respected. It's a very well prepared school with faculty that are great people to learn from. And even if we're in the financial mathematics field, a lot of our professors apply these same tools in other fields like cancer research, which give us a lot of flexibility in terms of choosing what to do after we graduate from the program.
One of the things that attracted me to the University of Edinburgh is their focus in computational maths. So I realized it would be a good place to be if I wanted to carry on to doing a PhD.
I think two big advantages of Edinburgh is that Edinburgh has got the second biggest financial industry in the UK outside London, and so we have a good number of collaborations with the financial sector here. And the other is just the breadth of the program. So the School of Mathematics in Edinburgh is a relatively big maths department, so there are really many optional modules that the students can choose from, taught by experts from the area. And then on top of that, we've got these good links with informatics, so you can take excellent optional courses from informatics.
One of my favorite things about this program is the flexibility it offers. You've got your three different streams. I picked the machine learning one, and within each of the streams you've got a lot of options and you can cover different bases while also gaining depth and expertise in the field that you pick. And I think that sets you up quite nicely whether you want to go into industry or go into research.
I would recommend the MSc in Financial Modeling and Optimization to anyone that wants to learn more technical abilities and gain knowledge of mathematical tools to price assets in the financial world.
Mostly the students studying on this course come from mathematical background, quite often with no prior study of finance or financial mathematics. That's okay, everything financial is covered on the course.
One of the main skills that I've taken away is being able to research and working independently whilst at the same time collaborating with others for coursework, and I've really enjoyed that.
We have some group projects where you'll be working with students who have different skills, different strengths. You will have to communicate, you will have to time manage as part of the group, and that's of course very important once you get a job, because you never work in a vacuum on your own.
The community in my program is a very tight-knit community. We are two programs in financial mathematics, and it ends up very much feeling like one. Everyone joins and does group study sessions, and even our professors end up feeling like another classmates. They're very willing to work with you and figure things out together, so it ends up feeling like a small family.
The people on my course come from different cultures, geography, as well as different academic backgrounds, and that's been great. But the best part is, despite these differences, we've been able to find shared common ground and build lasting relationships. At the end of the day, all of us love maths, and that really comes through.
The MSc is only 12 months and there is quite a lot of material to cover, so it's very intense by constructions. You'll have to work very hard, but it's important that you find time to interact with other students, not even just on your MSc. Find out what everyone else is doing and build those connections, because they will help you in the future. And then on a very practical level, as soon as you come to Edinburgh, you start thinking about the next move.
After completing my program, I will go back to the Treasury of the Central Bank of Dominican Republic, and hopefully I can go and use the knowledge I've acquired during this year to fairly price assets and help develop our local financial markets.
After completing my master's, I want to move down to London and find a grad job in kind of the machine learning and artificial intelligence space. I feel very prepared to do that given the kind of modules I picked, and I'm super excited.